how to look up Marriott reservations without signing in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you reserved for a Marriott hotel and want to look up your reservation status without signing in? Then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you can open up any browser and head over to Marriott.com. And now tap on sign in or join on the top right. Then go to join for free. Now a new page will open up. And then you can see find and reserve option. Just tap on it and tap on look up reservation. Now you'll need to put in a confirmation number, check-in date, and the name that you put in while reserving, and the last name. Then tap on find reservation and it will show you your reservation status. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.